9163 Sparkling Star. So as you can see, 2-car garage and plenty of space for 2 cars to park in the driveway. But it is one of those situations where it's not a shared driveway, but there's no parking on this street. There's plenty of parking out there. And as you can see, there are no cars parked there, probably because there's so much parking for each individual house. So it shouldn't really be an issue. Okay, let's head inside. So as you can see, there's tile at the entry, and then it changes to a wood laminate, and the carpet looks really new. It will need a cleaning, which is completely normal, because tons of people have been walking in here without the booties on. But different tile from the entrance, but very similar. Paint looks like it's in very good condition. Nice light fixtures. Everything looks really nice in here. Jenny's probably going to recommend changing out the countertops. It'll look really nice once it's all changed out. What a nice garage. Lots of overhead storage. Here's our water heater. Okay. Laundry room right off of the garage. And overhead storage, nice 2-inch blinds, 2.5-inch blinds. Well, this is ideal. Pretty much. We have concrete and some pavers in place, as well as rocks, so I don't know what Jenny, I don't know if there's anything she would suggest we do, but it's pretty ideal. Let's head upstairs. Paint looks good. Interesting light. French doors to the master, nice size, higher ceilings, tile in the wet area, and the closet. Nice big closet. Have some nice window treatments in place already. Cabinets look okay. Nice light fixture. Okay. There we go. Okay, so carpet looks good, paint looks good. That's the bathroom. This is the closet. Tiny little built-ins. Oh, sorry. it's different in here, but it looks okay. Yeah, it looks fine. It's gray. Window treatments in the walls look good. What? Oh, wait. Okay, we were just in that bathroom. It's a shared bathroom. Okay, so we have one shared bathroom for these two smaller bedrooms. Of course, the master has its ensuite, linen closet, and that's the upstairs.